All right, so today is NFP, okay, and this is gold because once it's NFP, gold is always the victim on NFP. So today is NFP and a very strong news to trade today, right? So we have this chart now, okay, and this is what I'm seeing on gold. You can see I have too many lines. This is my trend line, this is my trend line. So gold is trading in this zone, okay. Gold is now trading in this zone here. It came back to the trend line, came back, and then played around, still came back, and then went all the way down. Then it has now come all the way back up, okay. So I'm gonna take out this one here. So we have gold trading in this range now, okay, up, down, up and down, then the next is gonna be down. All right, so since today is NFP, I don't think there will be much volatility in the markets today. This is what we might expect in the market. We have 1, 2, okay, you see, this might be what we expect, and maybe probably coming from here to here, but let's just see, coming back to here, and then something like this top here, or continue moving upward and break, okay. Since we have these like this, and today's NFP, we can expect these to happen. And this was my setup, this was my zone here for my setup, since I've been targeting this 87 zone, this 87 zone for a buy. Well, once it comes, the first one came, it used the support here and went back. The next one came like yesterday, that's Thursday. I thought it was gonna touch, it still came and used the support here and went back. So the next one is gonna use is this demand zone here. So today, being gold, I think the market will just, for a start, for this morning, okay, the market just opened this 12 a.m. so I think it's gonna buy from here probably to this zone, okay, the same way it did here, just the same way it did here. It came back down small and then played around, then buy here. So I think it's gonna play around here, huh? We might see the market playing around here like this, maybe consolidating, doing a zigzag move, and then probably touching this trend line here. And then since it's NFP, we might see a spike down, okay, that's spike down, sell to this zone, and it touches our zone and it buys, and maybe continue buying to this 28 I've been targeting, 38 I've been targeting since I don't want to reach. Or if we have this and the market eventually breaks out already from here, okay, if we have these, the market comes and buy and breaks out here, then we'll have this like this, and then maybe break out here, and then we have a retest on the trend line and we buy back up, okay. Or if it doesn't work like this, then if probably the market now eventually comes down and refuse to respect the zone, so I think, okay, and it refuses to respect the zone here that I said it's gonna respect, it's gonna come down, take out this liquidity here, and maybe do something like this, Then we have a downward movement here, taking out all these, then retest back and push down. So these are the possibilities of what the market is going to give us today, being NFP. Okay, so we have just these 3 moves here. Okay, let me shift this arrow so that I can understand the move. So we just have these 3 possible outcomes, but my main outcome, and I think it's gonna happen, should be this first one. Come in here, do this, then that. The next one is gonna be maybe coming back to touch here and then fall down here, and then we have these boosts to the upside. So this is my view on NFP, and today is Friday. It's gonna be a busy day and a very volatile day, so I'll advise you to not risk much of your money and just stick to your plan. So this is my plan, and I think my setup is still valid. Okay, I think my setup is still valid. Here, a buy at the zone 87 still looks valid to me. Okay, so this has been the setup that I've been keeping since the past 3 days now. Okay, so this is the setup, so we're gonna leave it this way, except NFP just boost back down and kill us. But I think the setup is more valid than anything else, so that's what I'm gonna be looking at today. Okay, so see you guys after the NFP, and we're gonna see which outcome happened. Is it this one that it came back to this upside, touched here and then fall down here, or came from here, break out, retested inside the trend line and then go up, or coming back down, breaking this one, retesting and continue going down? So this is it for me. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, drop your comments and share. See you all on the next video. Bye.